The Murraylands and Riverland region is unique, home to a diverse range of species, environments, and communities. But this way of life is under threat. An increasing pattern of droughts, floods, and biodiversity loss are reshaping our environment and impacting our health, agriculture, and ecosystems. By 2050, the impacts of climate change will cause pest species to multiply, bushfires will become more intense, there will be less water and more heat waves, impacting humans and animals alike. Ecosystems as we know them will be permanently changed. We invite you to understand how climate change will impact your area. To get involved in local initiatives focused on sustainability and conservation, and to advocate for action in your community. Our future depends on the actions we take now. Together, we can reduce the impacts of climate change on the Murraylands and Riverland region. Visit our website for more on how you can make a difference.